Finally, lumabas na ang Infinix GT 20 Pro. And marami sa inyo na dismaya nung hindi naglabas ng GT 10 last year. But this time around, Infinix Philippines kept their promise and dalagang nilaunch nila ang GT 20 Pro by popular request. And in this video, papakita ko sa inyo ang unboxing experience plus my first impression on this phone. So stay with me. So right now guys, we'll dive straight into the unboxing experience ni Infinix GT 20 Pro. So kita natin there's a collaboration with Mobile Legends and it's the official phone ng MPL. It has a 12 plus 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Ang ganda ng kanyang mga prints dito sa gilid which looks very game-centric. Ito is another collaboration logo. So here are some important specs na kailangan mo malaman. It's been powered by the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, which is a overclock version ng 8200. It has a dedicated gaming display chip. It has a ultra frame rate na engine. It's almost bezel-less and 144Hz screen refresh rate. Clean and pure OS daw, walang bloatwares and sound by JBL. Probably this is one of the first time na makaka-unbox ako na kailangan mo ibuksan sa gilid ang kanyang box. And pag binuksan mo, it's a really nice unboxing experience. When you take this one out, you'll see yung logo ng MPL. This is the official gaming phone nga pala ng MPL in the Philippines. So itabi muna natin siya. Now if you take a look at this box, the unboxing experience is a whole new level. It looks like yung gaming phone dati ng Lenovo Legion. And kita mo no, welcome to the GT world. And pagbukas mo, it's not the normal way that you open a box. So kita natin dito sa gilid, Grand Gaming Tour out with the rest. And yeah, yun ang nakasulat din dito sa gilid. And same din dito sa other side. So pagbukas na ito, ganun siya. Diba kakaiba? Except that wala lang siyang sound, no? Like yung kay Lenovo Legion. But nevertheless, I would say at this price range, ang ganda ng iyong unboxing experience, no? Talagang kakaiba siya. Now, if you open this one, you'll see a SIM ejector tool over here, and all the other stuff is inside. So you have your cleaning kit, you have your warranty card, you have a tempered glass that comes free, and you have one of the nicest case na nakita ko ever from a Infinix phone. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagkagawa dito sa case na ito. I really love the design. And dito, pwede mo lagyan ng magnetic na cooling mount, which papakita ko sa inyo on my full review ng phone na ito. And there's a lot of perforation dito which looks really nice and very game-centric. Kapag hinila mo phone na ito, I love the design ng foil niya dito. Shiny and yeah, looks really nice. Ganda no? Masarap lang ng unboxing experience ngayon dito sa phone na ito. And pag nilabas ko siya, and this is called the Mecha Blue. Ang ganda ng kanyang design dito sa likod. I really love the design this time around. And kita natin dito, may LED light dito later, papakita ko sa inyo. Na pag inilawan mo siya, it's a whole new experience. And there's another color which is called, I think, the Mecha Orange. Maganda rin ang kanyang camera bump this time. Kita nyo, it looks really nice and futuristic. Probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa kanya is masyadong maraming fingerprint smudges pag nahawakan mo na siya. And pati sa sides, very shiny. And we have your volume rocker and power button sa gilid. On top, it sounds by JBL. And kita mo, there's the loudspeaker, the IR blaster, and of course, the noise cancelling mic. On the other side, it's pretty plain. Sa ilalim is your SIM tray, your microphone in, your Type-C port, and your second loudspeaker. So quickly, sundutin lang natin. No? So ayun, kita natin dito, pag reversible mo siya, it's dalawang nano SIM lang kaya na, dalawang 5G nano SIM. And there's no micro SD expansion, sad to say. Tatapusin muna natin yung unboxing experience. Tanggal natin to. We have your 45 watts the charging brick. And we also have your standard Type-C cable. Which, I think this is a good design. No, naka-angled siya. This is perfect, especially when you're using bypass charging on your phone. Good design. Now, quickly, gusto ko lang kabit tong case sa likod, which pakita ko lang siya gano'n siya kaganda na. Looks like this. Ayan. Lesser smudges, for sure. And looks really nice and fantastic talaga case na ito. I really love it. And this is the default, the home screen niya. Pag swipe out mo, ganito itsura niya. There's a lot of customization na team dito sa kanya, which you'll definitely love. And just to tease you a little bit further, it almost gathered a 1 million points dito sa Antutu benchmark na version 10.2.5, which is quite impressive. So one of the things na ma-enjoy mo sa kanya dito is yung kanyang game X-Boost mode niya dito, which you can play pwede mo laro between the normal mode, power saving, and of course, your performance mode. So, ang dami mong pwedeng kalikutin dito, brightness locking, esports mode, super boot, ultra frame rate, no? So, pipilitin mo siya, mag-force 120 na frame rate, and nakita na naka-ultra 120. Even though kahit yung game mo hindi kaya ng 120, pipilitin pa rin niya maging 120. So, pwede mong laruin ng tap sensitivity niya, swipe responsiveness niya, and of course, you can turn on bypass charging. But since hindi naman nakabingay, so I don't really need it. And the other things dito, like GT light effects, pwede mo turn on. And makita mo, nag-on yung kanyang ilaw dito sa ilalim. Buo siya dito, no? Parang letter C, which looks really pretty nice. Pwede mo rin laruin yung kanyang graphics enhancement, okay? Countdown, immersive sounds, no? So, yeah. Those are some of the things na pwede mo ilaro dito sa kanya. So far, ang graphics mo sa ML, pwedeng ultra-ultra. And I would say, ang gameplay dito sa ML is definitely smooth. Wala ako halos na feel na frame drops dito sa kanya. And expect mo talagang very immersive ang gameplay na dito dahil sa mga enhancement na binigay sa kanya ng Infinix GT 20 Pro. But of course, syempre, mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel para makita mo ang full review netong Infinix GT 20 Pro once na na-upload ko na. And so far, I was able to take a quick few snaps sa indoor, sa mga pagkain, sa mga drinks. It looks nice and sharp. If you bring it outdoors naman, taking some flower shots naman, it's also pretty nice. Taking some selfie shot, I would say not so bad for the indoor shots. And medyo yellowish lang ako konti pagdating sa outdoor shot. Now, you see more of these shots naman sa aking full review. So, stay tuned sa aking channel. So guys, enough teaser muna. So, I would invite you to subscribe to my page and of course, hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo once in-upload ko na ang full review netong GT20 Pro ni Infinix. And I'm really sure na ang daming games ko ilalaro dito. And papakita ko rin sa inyo ang camera experience dito sa phone nito. Plus sa mga benchmark and thermals dito sa phone nito. Ibubunyag ko sa inyo lahat sa aking full review. So don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel would definitely be terrific. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.